Hello guys, I'm off from school because it is 10th holiday right now. So it means that I have more time to make videos for you guys. So I've just finished a book called The Missing Link, written by Thompson. So the stories begin with two boys, one named Christy and one named Danny, just like me. So Danny is a special boy. He is different from all the children in town because he's more chubby and he's more clumsy than everyone else. So he's kind of overgrown for his age. He's taller and he's bigger for his age. So he finds himself special and different from everyone else. So Danny lived with Christy's family because Christy's stepdad, Maurice, took Danny with him. So one night when Christy is chilling on his room, he heard a noise downstairs. So he ran downstairs and checked. He saw a woman standing by the door. So that woman is very mysterious and she seems like some scientist. And Christy asked his stepdad about it, and Maurice said that her name is Maggie, and she is Danny's mother, his real mother. So she is some kind of mad scientist, and she does some kind of weird science experiment. So Danny liked her because she is his mother. So that night, Danny get dressed and go to Christy's room. Danny said that it's time to go. So Christy didn't understand and he's confused. So Danny said that to Scotland to find mother. So Danny get hold of Christy's hand and pull him out of the house. So Danny and Christy get on the bus and they drive to the town near Scotland. So now they have a lot to walk to reach Scotland. So Danny have a little bird. He named the bird Darling. So Darling is very smart because the bird can speak. So it's just Christy and Danny can hear the bird and understand what it says. So the bird lead Danny and Christy. So they have to walk a long way. And luckily, they meet a girl named Tina, and she has a dog named Augie. So the dog can also speak like the bird, Darling. So the five started to walk for a long way. They have to ride on people's car, they have to sleep on the road, they have to stay back in the forest, and they have to hunt and cook their own food to survive. And finally, after many months, they finally reached Scotland. So when they arrived at Scotland, every single animal came and greeted them and then they all said that welcome to the fourth world. So the fourth word is a word created by Danny's mother. So Danny's mother, she has some magic that she can make almost all of the animals speak. So they arrived at Danny's mother's house, Maggie's house. So Maggie is very happy to see them and she hugged her son Danny very tightly. So that night the family have dinner with each other. And Danny have a sister named Sandy. So Sandy is very skinny, but she have a superpower because Danny's mother combined the DNA of a frog to Sandy so that she looks skinny. When we look at her, we thought that she was sick, she was skinny, but she can jump as high as a frog, and then she's very fast and very strong because she basically have a DNA of a frog. So yeah. And Christy is very curious because every day Maggie would go to her lab and did something very strange, and then she would go out. So Christy decided he would sneak to the lab and see what is going on down there because it is so mystery, and Maggie banned everyone from getting near the lab. So it even made Christy even more curious. So that night, Christy creeped to the lab, stole the key, and then entered the lab. So inside the lab, it is another world to Danny because it is so amazing. All the experiment stuff, and then Christy saw something that he never meant to see. He saw a lot of animals, a lot of dead animals, and even human that are half human, half a horse. So Christy is very scared right now. He didn't know what to do, so he ran back up, closed the door of the lab, and then ran to his bedroom and sleep till the day. So that day, Christy asked Maggie about the lab, but she didn't answer, and Maggie lead Christy to the lab and show him everything. She basically leaked her secret. So Christy said that Danny have told me that Danny came here to see you and you will show Danny what he is. So can you show me? So Maggie didn't say a thing, and then she said that everyone hop on her car. So she drive to the beach. So Danny is very scared of the beach. So when he see the beach, he would stand and stare at it for a long time. So Maggie let Danny stare at the beach, and then Danny jumped. So everyone is very surprised, and they tried to rescue Danny, but Maggie stopped them. And Maggie said everyone look down the water. So they see that Danny are swimming happily around, and Danny are swimming very quickly. So that is how Danny can hold his breath for so long. And basically, Maggie just combined the DNA of a dolphin to Danny. So that's the mystery is solved. Danny is a dolphin boy because he looks so different. So that is the secret. And finally, Maggie said that, welcome home, our dolphin boy. So that is the end of this book. And this book is very amazing. It is kind of like some sci-fi science movie. So it is good though. So I rate this book in 9 out of 10 because it is very interesting, and I recommend this book for you guys to read. So yeah, this is the end of this video, and I hope you guys like my video. Happy Tet holiday to every one of you who are watching this video. Please leave a like and a subscribe. Goodbye.